Today we are having this press conference. This is the 6th edition of Tugende Muchikande. The press, you're most welcome. I think you're not lost if you're in the right place. We're here to unveil what we have this year for our fans, our people, the people who love the color tunes, who love. Today, in front of you are some artists you know. You know, we have a problem with the new artists. Sometimes we know the songs, we don't know them. But for these ones, the legends, these are the legends. We're talking about legends. I think everyone knows them. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Omlangan Daus. I'll be the MC for this function with my good sister, Ruth Kanibala. We shall be at Sheraton Gardens on the 7th. And the Tugende Muchikande 6th edition. So today we are very, very humbled to be sponsored by MTN Momo. We're looking at Color Tunes. Ladies and gentlemen, Color Tunes. All these artists you see here, they are on Color Tunes. You can just get all their songs on Color Tunes, *170 *87 hash. Just use only 700. It's 700 per month, 700 shillings. *170 *87 hash, Color Tunes. All their music is on. You can pick on whatever you want. In front of you, we have the legendary Betty Pologoma. She's in here. We have the legend Ronald Maija. We have Sister Charity. She's a big legend in the industry. In the house we got a beautiful sister. Oh my God. Mariam Molinde. You know her, Mariam Molinde. She's Mariam Molinde. She's hot. And we have the Musama. Can you say Musama? Legendary Stacia Mayanja. She's back in the country and she's everywhere. She's everywhere. My first time seeing her after some good years, but I'm so happy to see her. Press conference, we shall be at Sheraton in the few coming days or weeks. So, Color Tunes, I said *170 *87 hash. You can get everyone's song on Color Tunes. We thank MTN Momo. MTN Momo, thank you very much. There's great supporters of legendary music, legendary artists. We thank MTN Momo. Thank you very much. They are our main. That's why we are here, by the way. That's why we are here. We thank La Paire, or we'll be saying a word or two. Penno, Sheraton, the 2020, 2021, just because of COVID, you remember. So this is the 6th edition of Tugende Muchikande. Everyone is talking about Tugende Muchikande, Tugende Muchikande. This is what we call legendary music. That's why you see Color Tunes is with us, MTN Momo, they're with us because they're here to promote legendary music. We want to make sure we support. That's why you see legends on stage, legendary in the house, legendary Ruth Kanibala. Everyone is a legend here. So thank you very much. I call upon Patrick, the organizer of Tugende Muchikande, to say a word.
I'm a director and team leader at Tugende Muchikande. You're most welcome, Mr. Ronald Mayanja, friends in your Kulava. Sister Charity, I love you. Stacy Mayanja, I also love you. Maria Polinde, I love you. And my auntie, Pologoma, thank you for coming. For starters, I want to appreciate you, media people, for loving us. Where we came, but it has between us, God, and you. For MTN, thank you for always welcoming us. Wana tuli makala MTN, so badenza watu waweko bugalo wamani. As the MC mentioned, this is our fifth edition. We started in 2017, series of editions that we did nazo, but here we are with our 6th edition. Tutambode Feka tutambode MTN as our platinum sponsor or partner. Thank you so much MTN, Mavis and the team. Thank you so much. Tutambode Banafe our Nile Special. Tutambode Navo since then. Netwegatibwako kweno edition, twegatibwako aba cultural gold run. Mr. Moses and team, thank you so much. Netwegatibwako aba panel events. They are very lately tubadde nnyo ku social media, and you realize there is a conversation that is moving around from musical analysts, from media personalities. Nga batugamba nnyo industry eringa egwa oba music alinga agenda agwa. Naye emboozi eyibaddewo on different platforms and TVs. Mukubeerawo njagala nyimirire wano mpe ba analyst abo a solution oba ekyokuyiga nti music omutuufu yono bwe tulina wano. So ebyokubeerawo nga bagamba music agwa, what is happening with the industry, it is because ebintu bye bacraftinga lately tebisobola kustandinga long nga music w'abantu wano. I don't know when Madam Betty Pologoma weyafulumya oluyimba lwa London Number atakwagala omulaba. I don't know how many years ago, but trust me, you've seen the power and the energy of this song. Engeri gye luyungumiza mu social media, how it has come back. Ekyo kikulaga ki? This is the true sound of Ugandan music. So, mumbeera bwetyo, njagala okuyita bannayuganda okubakunga ennaku z'omwezi nga 7 tugende mu kikadde eteeseteese neekomawo era inaabwe ennene nga bwe tugirabaawo. Tulinako Mwami Joseph Mayanja, ffe tujja kumuyitira Joseph Mayanja, kyakabiri oyo tujja kireka eri. However, linnya nako Charles Sekyewa, tulinako Godfrey Kibijigiri, ne tubeerako Betty Pologoma, ne tubeerako ne Maria Molinde, ne tubeerako ne Hajaruna Mubiru ne Sister Charity. Abantu abazenga batugoberera from where we started, nsuubira nti tetulangako muyimbi n'atajja. Tuwerekereza ebintu byonna byonna ne tumeka sure nti tubawa ekintu kye tuba tubasuubiza. Era emabegakaawo social media, people were running to our pages. Anayebulanga Stacy Mayanja taliiwo, lwaki mulimba? Tubagamba agenda kubeerawo, so waali. Ennaku z'omwezi zigenda beera 7 December, ujja kuba lwa 6, tugenda kubeera ku Sheraton Gardens, Kampala. Ekibuuzo ekirala kye nsuubira kye muyinza okutuwa is why are we shifted from Serena to here? Katwala omukisa guno okubaddamu ekibuuzo ekyo. Bwe tuba tuprepinga concept yaffe eyo tugattaganya ebintu bingi nnyo kati okusingira ddala biva mu bawagizi. Nja kuwa ekyokulabirako nti omukyala gwe bayita Mariam Mulinde on our socials bamusabidde emyaka egiwera 3 on our channels. Bannanga omukyalo nkofe tujja kumuleeta era ali wano. So tutwala nnyo opiniyoni zammwe abantu n'okukyusa venue ebadde opinion okuva mu bantu abasinga nti bannange Serena eyinza okuba tekyatumala ntonomukko ate n'ekirala n'okukyusamukko excitement kabeerewo. Omuntu omu yagamba Serena eyo tugikoze nnyo kati ne bw'oba oyingira mu Serena osobola okuzibirira n'oyingira. So netugamba katukole ku Sheraton Gardens, but trust me, it's going to be a great experience. Like I said, we've been here since 2017. We've been tried, we've been tested. I mean, tetusobola kuba disappointing. It's going to be a good show, a quality show, live music show. Ye show etesitaza mama tata omwana senga osobola okujja nabo ne balaba ku music obwenjawulo. Music atagenda kuggwako nkya no ne balaba ku maanyi ga atakwagala oba omulaba. That's MTN okwongerako eyina enteekateeka gye tuli kukola wamu n'abayimbi baffe. Enteekateeka eno bagiyita Kola Tunes. Kola Tunes bwe buyimba obubeera mu masimu gaffe.
Cash for MTN Momo to be 240,000. Individual table of 8 will be at 3 million, and corporate table of 8 will be at 4 million. So, these are the youths, abayimbi, abato, bajje balabe baita music. But again, when I be on radio, I talk about Betty. I don't know if I katutwanonyeza eddagala lyabwe katubayite bwe tuti beeki tutandika okudda mu kintu kino tulabe nga tukyekwatiramu. Naye tumakubiriza abayimbi mujje mulabe mumanyi kye mulina okuyimba, mulina kukola mutya, legend yeyisa atya. Simanyi bwe kigambo serebu kyava abantu bamanyina kigambo serebu, buli omu ayogera serebu. I don't know, but legends are legends. So ladies and gentlemen, tugenda kufuna okwogera kuva ku ba sponsors abaliwo katusooka endala n'omukulu